Okay, let's move on to sketch the graph of m against t. So take note, okay, we are sketching m against t. So which means on your vertical axis, it should be your m, horizontal axis should be your t. Okay, so that's the equation that you are asked to draw. Okay, but before I draw the equation, let's look at the context of the question first. Okay, in particular, can you see this part first? Okay, we are given it takes 35 days for the mass to reach half of initial value. So you ask yourself, if I have half of initial value, is my graph going to be an increasing graph or decreasing graph? Okay, which I hope all of you can tell me it should be decreasing because I'm going to reach half of initial value. Okay, so please make sure always make sense of the context, so your graph should be decreasing instead of increasing. Okay, and not only that, you are supposed to transfer all information you have from your previous part, okay, which you have your k, and of course you have your initial mass. Okay, so initial mass is when t equals to 40, so which means I'm supposed to cut my my vertical axis in this case, which is my m. Okay, so transfer all this information onto your graph. Okay, so you should have this part here, cut your y-axis, cut your m-axis in this case at this particular point when t equals 0, and your graph should be decreasing. Okay, and the next things I want you to next thing is take note of the equation. Remember, we always want to observe whether do we have any asymptote. So see that this part here, we are plotting an exponential graph. Okay, so for exponential graph, right, recall we always have a horizontal asymptote. Okay, for horizontal asymptote, so you ask yourself, okay, is it going to cut my m or is it going to cut my t? In this case, it's going to cut your m, okay, which is your vertical axis. Agree? If I draw my axis in, I'm going to cut my m, so therefore I should have an equation m equals to something. Okay, because some of you actually write t equals something, which is wrong. Okay, so what is my asymptote? Okay, so recall for horizontal asymptote, right? For exponential, okay, we always look at the term that's away from the exponential. So in this case, the term that's away from exponential, agree with me, there's nothing here, highlighted in blue, which actually by right, it should be a plus 0 here. So therefore, your m is equals to 0 as the asymptote. Okay, so please check your graph, people.